Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another gorgeous Mulberry Bayswater to show you today. So this is in this lovely kind of crinkled patent leather, which has a really gorgeous texture to it, and it actually feels really nice as well. Often patent leather gets that bit of like a sticky feel to it, but this leather actually still feels very nice. You can see as well that this colour, the colour is actually called red onion, which I think is the perfect name to describe this kind of rich purpley colour. It's gorgeous. So I'll talk you through the features. We've got double top handles, and then along the bottom we've got 4 base studs, and attached to those top handles we have got that mulberry cloche, and inside there we have got, just pull that out so you can have a look, you can see 2 keys in there and that mulberry padlock as well. And then we've got flap closure with that iconic Mulberry postman's lock. So I'll open that up and show you inside. So inside again we've got a lovely rich purpley colour suede lining, and then we've got 1 zipped pocket on the back. So I'll get that unzipped so you can see that there. It's a little bit stiff, but that zip still works perfectly fine. And then we've got another 2 flap pockets, so 1 here and 1 here as well. And then I'll flip it around and show you the opposite side. We've got those 2 internal buckles to adjust those side gussets, so you can make it a little bit more cinched or a little bit wider depending on what you like. The condition of this one we have called the exterior fair, and it is mostly for this base. You can see just here there's a few of these kind of like bubbly marks on the leather where it's just damaged the surface of that patent leather a little bit, and they're mostly on the base. You can see a few more. Again, it's at an angle and a light so you can see it. You can see a few more just here and here as well. But it's mostly the base of leather that's showing those signs of wear. You can see those corners actually are still in a very nice condition, and the majority of the bag still has that lovely shiny patent leather look to it. You can see those handles are still in a nice condition on that leather trim too. So that is why we've called the exterior fair, and the interior we've called good. There's a little bit of marking on this flap closure on that suede interior. You can see a few marks along there, but actually for the most part it is in a nice condition on that interior, so that is why we've called it good. And then the hardware, again, we've called fair. On this plaque on the inside of that flap closure, you can see a fair bit of scratching and marks on there. And then on that outside of the postman's lock, again, there's just a few scratches, marks on there. And as always, there is a bit of scratching on those base studs. But it's not huge amount on those base studs, just a little bit. So that is why, again, we've called the hardware fair. We've also noted down a scent for this Mulberry Bayswater. The interior does have quite a strong perfume scent in there. It's not unpleasant, but it is a noticeable perfume scent in there. It comes with, pop it here, so we've got the Mulberry care card, and then we also have Mulberry dust bag too, just here. So if you'd like to know the exact measurements on this Bayswater, go to the link in the description below. It's a link to shop this exact mulberry on our website. So if it doesn't take you directly, if that link doesn't take you directly to this bag, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have a request list that you can get onto. So if you do really love this and it's one you're looking out for, or you've just seen it on our YouTube and you've gone to the website and you've missed out on it, don't worry, because we do have a request list that you can get onto. It's really easy to get on that list. All you have to do is send us through an email or fill out the contact us form on our website, and then we will pop you on the list for this bag, and as soon as we get in another one, you'll be one of the first to know. So if you'd like to get on that request list, as I said, exact measurements for this mulberry will be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm the size UK 10 and 5'4". So you've got those lovely big top handles, and it's got that lovely classic Mulberry Bayswater look and size to it. It's just a great big size that you can fit all of your everyday essentials in there, plus a little bit more. So it is a very gorgeous bag. And if you would like more details, again, go to the link in the description below. We're on our website, sign up to our newsletter, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. You can use that discount code on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. And also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you have any bags that you'd like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co. All the details you need to know about selling with us are on that page. And also, while you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel, and then you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags like this one that we have to show you. And we'll see you very soon with some more.